Taipei 101 towers above you, and you still don't know why the temple next to it matters. Group tours rush you through Longshan Temple in 5 minutes, then herd you back on the bus before you've even looked up. Uvamai's Taipei self-guided audio tour puts the city's stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to you? Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand beneath Taipei 101 and hear the engineering secrets that keep it standing through earthquakes. Wander the incense-filled halls of Longshan Temple. Walk through Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall and uncover Taiwan's turbulent path to democracy. Explore centuries of imperial treasures at the National Palace Museum. Breathe in the misty peaks of Yangmingshan National Park, all in one tour, all on your own time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Taipei, not just photograph it. Get your Taipei self-guided audio tour today. Just $6. Your link, your city, your story at uvamai.com.